So this is a literal book on books. It is created with some sort of magic printing ability, as you can see with all of these different flaps, and it just kind of continues to unfold into some kind of magical artwork. And I just want to read the back of it here. Anything produced by Victionary, by the way, or Viction, I mean, is like an absolute masterpiece. So anyway, the back of this says, as digital screens continue to take over modern lives, the role of books on paper may seem to hang precariously in the balance. However, they will always have a special place in society due to the distinct ways with which their materiality can stir the senses and evoke emotions, simply as beautiful objects. A book on books, new aesthetics in book design offers an exciting glimpse into the future of publishing through the works and words of the creatives and industry luminaries who can continue to pave the way forward in their fields while remaining partial to the joy of turning a physical page. It showcases a timely collection of perspectives and projects from around the world that translate today's trends and techniques into timeless visual inspiration for lovers and purveyors of the printed book. So I think definitely, whether you're a graphic designer or if you're into print design specifically, or if you're going to go through and do some book publishing or anything like that, this is an absolute must-have. It's an absolute masterpiece of different book projects from all around the world in a variety of binding methods and printing methods and color methods, and I think it's just absolutely stunning. So this is a must-have, a book on books. I've got the link down for you to check out. Please let me know what you think of this in the comments if you have it already, or if you're gonna pick it up, definitely let me know. I have been so pleased with the quality of this book. Like, they really went above and beyond to think through what a book on books would actually look like. So it's kind of magical. It's really fun to go through. It just kind of keeps changing as you read it. Again, let me know what you think down in the comments.